pole of a magnet facing towards geographic south. North pole of a magnet facing towards geographic south. So north pole is facing towards geographic south. This is south, this is west, this is north, and this will be east. Fine. So these are the 4 points we have drawn. So now north pole is facing where? Towards south. If you take this is line is called as axial line. This line is called as equatorial line. Everywhere BH will be towards geographic north. That is Earth's horizontal component of magnetic field. BH is called Earth's horizontal component of magnetic field. It is always towards geographic north. It is fixed towards geographic north. Now, what are the directions of the magnetic field we obtain because of the magnet? They are asking. So, how we get because of the magnet? Let us observe carefully here. So, now this is axial line. First, we'll discuss on axial line. Axial line. For axial line, always be axial direction from south to north of the magnet. Be axial direction south to north of the magnet, because magnetic movement south to north, be axial direction also south to north only. So be axial always will be in the downward direction. So B axial will be in this direction. So B axial is always south to north of the magnet direction. That means magnetic movement south to north. So B axial is also south to north, like this down only. When we observe at western east, this line is equatorial line. Equatorial line. For equatorial line, magnetic movement south to north. Magnetic movement south to north means B equatorial opposite. So B equatorial opposite means B equatorial will be in which direction? North to south. So now we get B equatorial in which direction? North to south. B equatorial will be in the direction of north to south. So here, if you observe the net magnetic field, here B equatorial plus BH. Here also B equatorial plus BH. So what happened at east and west? We are getting B equatorial plus BH. But here at south we can observe it is B axial difference BH. Opposite means we have to take the difference side. Again here also if you observe at the north B axial, because opposite means difference, B axial difference BH. So at north and south we have opposite directions, east and west same directions. So null points means definitely the condition is two fields must be opposite and equal. So opposite conditions we are obtaining only at the north and south. Only at north and south we are getting opposite conditions. From this information, now what should I write here? I am taking here first of all the B axial. I want to find B net. B net means what should I write? Two are opposite. On which line we are discussing? We are discussing on which line? We are discussing on axial line. Axial line. We are discussing on axial line. In axial line, just now we found B axial is difference to BH. So B axial difference BH in axial line. So null point. What is the null point condition? B net must be equal to 0. B net is equal to 0 means that B axial must be BH. So B axial formula what we have, mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube for short bar magnet, because here we are treating it as this magnet as short bar magnet. So this magnet we call it as short bar magnet. From short bar magnet concept I can write it is mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube is equal to BH. This is the formula what we got here. And two null points are obtained. Here also we are getting two null points. On which line we are getting? We are getting two null points on axial line. Two null points we are getting on axial line. So what we noticed is we are getting two null points on axial line. This is one condition. Another condition is what? That is the condition is for this null point mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube is equal to BH. So these are the conditions for the null point when the north pole is facing towards geographic south. North pole of the magnet facing towards geographic south. This is the information. And this is the first page what we discussed here, and this is the second page.